should enter in the Q's pet contest. Oh, they have that all the time at Tops. We should enter. Is he hiding his ball?
He's trying to bury, I think, his bone.
Oh, his bones are over there. Oh, he found a way to
Yeah,
hide
he's
everything.
trying to hide it under it now.
He's hiding everything under it. Oh yeah, that is his bone. Now he picked it up and he's got it one in his mouth. Yep. Oh yeah, he's so fucking cute. I love my puppy.
Okay, puppy?
Look at Mama. You are so cute. Why are you doing that? Mama loves him. Mama loves him. We're slowly going. I'll go for a walk with me and Daddy after I brush my teeth.
Oh,
What?
I think it was that bone you